In ideas of development, we are discussing several topics. The ideas of various people we discussed. Afterwards, the task of development, what is meant by development, what is the growth, and we clarified the two things. Later, we are discussed about construction of a nuclear power plant in Tamil Nadu, and what is the idea of the government and what is the idea of the people we discussed. Central government ready to plan and ready to construct the Kodamkulam nuclear power plant in Tirunelveli district, Tamil Nadu, and the people started agitation. It means a protest, and several nuclear scientists advised that the people is quite opposite of the power plant construction at a particular village, but here people is not opposite of construction of power plant. They are opposite of pollution and environment, the greeniness. So the people facing lot of environmental pollution problems. So that's why the people ready to protest, and here environmental scientists also ready to protest to favor of the people and against the construction of this nuclear power plant. Why? What is the reason? Why the people is started agitation against this power plant? Because is there any miscellaneous things which is happened, then the people facing lot of severe problems, nuclear nuclear waste and the nuclear damage, it should be happen, then lot of damage should be happen to the environment as well as the people, human beings also. So already we observed earlier in worldwide, in Russia, in Chernobyl, the problem faced by the people, and still now several people which is born with leukemia. So leukemia or blood cancer. So that's the problem. That's why the people is started the protesting. So environmental problems are facing the people, and as well as several years lost, the surroundings, and several years they are facing lot of problems like cancer. So this is the very, very important thing. People is not opposite to construct this power plant. Why? Because government is thinking about the people. What is the thinking of the government? Government is need power to supply all the people, and powerless country. For that, providing lot of facilities, construction works, as well as the people is always thinking about we live with a great manner without any problems. So that's why such problems will fulfill, and the government is always doing good things to the people. For that, the needs of the country is essential part here. Here needs of the country means needs of the people. To satisfy the needs of the people is important task. So for that, the central government is started this project, and finally by the protest of environmental scientists and by the protest of the people, by the protest of the environmental scientists, by the protest of the people, the problem is solved here, and several measures taken by the central government and constructed the power plant, and it is already started, and it satisfies the needs of the people also. And one more second example, that is a toxic waste which is dumped and which is causes a lot of problems. It is also one of the biggest example for the people, how the toxic waste is turns to the problematic for the people, those who are living in that particular area. So second one, Abidjan, that is a city in Ivory Coast country. It is a city in Ivory Coast country and in Africa continent. What happens here? What happens here? 500 tons toxic waste was dumped a container in Abidjan coastal area. Then what happens later? After dumping, 6 people were died. 6 members died, and 20 members faced the problems. They are ready to join in a hospital, and 26,000 people facing poisoning problem. 26,000 people. And so this is the major problem faced by the Abidjan city people because of toxic waste. Why toxic waste? 500 tons of the toxic waste was dumped there, because the toxic waste is used for iron and the steel companies. So that's why the toxic waste is very cheap, and it gives a lot of burning and power. So that's why here a toxic waste was dumped, and that is used for steel and iron companies and vessels companies. So at that time the people faced a lot of problems. This is the best example. So dumping and utilizing in proper manner is the best thing, but following several measures where they are ready to dump. If there is no human beings, you can dump anywhere. And suppose it is a forest area, these are problems faced by the animals, definitely. So whatever the things which create environmental problems, it is a harm to not only the human beings, a harm to the animals and greeny weather also. So that's why it is very critical things. We should not do such a things at anywhere in the world. So this is the best second example. And later, income and other goals of different people. Different people need different incomes according to their physical capacity, according to their mental capacity. Different people having and different income levels, and different people having different goals according to their mind and mental power and mental caliber or their qualifications, the physical strength. Income and goals are different. So here we are discussed about different people having different income and different goals. Suppose a worker in the factory. A worker in the factory means educated worker is there. Without education, a worker is working in the company. Without education, those who are working in the factory having different goal. And with education, a worker is working in the factory having different goal. This is, are you observed this thing? With education having different goal, without education having different goal. So that's why here different people having different income and different goals. Income levels, everybody is thinking about income. What is that? Everybody thinking about income. Income according to their status, income according to their educational qualification, income according to their working capacity. That is most important thing here, income. And before they need income, they will discuss about inside about convenient, doing the job with convenient, doing the job with convenient. With convenient. Suppose a person applied job purpose and in 2 companies, but in 2 companies selected and 2 companies offered job to particular person. Then he is somewhat longest area one company is there, nearest area one company is there. Some long area company offered a big amount, lump sum amount, that is 1 lakh rupees. Nearest area company is offered, that is 75,000. Here the person is satisfied with 75,000 salary, because it is nearest, it is very comfort, so that's why he is satisfied and he joined in nearest company. He didn't go for, I mean, long area company, and he can't join in that. If he not getting any proper job at the time, he will go for the longest area company, and he will get the 1 lakh salary, and he will face a lot of problems, because risky process, because of 50 kilometers, it is only just 5 kilometers. So that's why they will compare, and which is the convenient and which is the most satisfied one. That is the most important thing for each and every person in his life career. First of all, before joining in the job sector, first of all, he thinking about the convenience. Convenience is the most important. Then suppose in a person is joined in longest area in their company, then he will facing lot of problems before traveling and tiffin meals and earning money, savings, and highly risk traveling journey. So that is, he can't go for anybody. He is thinking about which is the nearest, which is the farthest. They will select only one thing, that is which is the nearest. The income level is somewhat less, but the thinking and satisfied, and they earn the money and a peaceful manner. So the family members and the relatives and the society friends also suggest that this is the best one, you can go for this. So according to the convenience and according to the mindset of an employee, they will go for the job, and they will fit for the job, and they are ready to earn the money. And if the money is earning, then automatically the money is spending for the family. And especially family means children, wife, and mother and father and brothers. And afterwards he thinking about luxurious things, luxurious articles, and he ready to purchase car, or he go for the bank for loan purpose, and he construct a beautiful building, and he purchase lands, and he ready to purchase fields, etc. So that is the another thing after getting the income. So this is income and other goals of different people. So I said one example, only one example, different goals and different attitudes of the people. And later, the next topic is how to compare different countries or different states. That is the important thing. Suppose we compare, a clever boy is there, and the average boy is there, and a duller is there. Like that, comparing according to the capacity of citizens of the country. And here capacity means earning capacity, not ordinary capacity, earning capacity, that is income level of citizen. According to the income level of the citizen, we can compare anybody at any time. So here capacity means income level, that is called, we can say in a specific term, that is per capita income. Per capita income. Per capita income means one person income in the country. Total income of the country by total population, earned persons, it means per capita income. So how to compare different countries and states? Here in 2012, World Bank, which is observed total world nations. After that, the World Bank is classified the countries into three ways. Number one, rich countries. Number two, middle income countries, and number 3, low income countries or poor countries. Once again, I will say that. According to the per capita income of different countries, the World Bank is classified into the countries into 3 ways. Number 1, high income or rich income countries. Number 2, middle income countries. And number 3, low income countries or poor countries. Here, World Bank classified in 2012 worldwide and given a report what that is. Which country having US dollars 12,600 and above? Which country per capita income is 12,600 US dollars and above? Such countries are known as rich countries or developed countries. I said rich countries or developed countries. And which country income, per capita income is below 12,600 American dollars and above 1,035 American dollars? Once again, which country income is below 12,600 American dollars and above 1,035 American dollars? Such countries are known as middle income countries. And last one is, which country per capita income is below 1,035 American dollars? Such country is known as low income countries or poor countries. So this is the classification and classification of World Bank. It will come as a 2 marks question in final examination. 2 marks question. So this is classification of World Bank in 2012 later. Sometimes they will ask which countries are rich countries. Do you know rich countries means? Then we can give some examples now here. What is USA, UK, Germany, France and Australia are rich countries or developed countries. So their income level is 12,600 and above 12,600 American dollars. And middle income countries, what are called middle income countries? It means above 1,035 American dollars and below 12,600 American dollars. That is middle income countries. Those are Arab countries, and Middle Asia countries. These are all United Arab Emirates, UAE, Singapore, like, and India is also comes under middle income country. India also. Now 2020, 8 years different is there.